Hi there, are you ready for another cool math question? Let's dive in. The question is this. We have a bowl which is shaped like a sphere with a diameter 24 and is completely filled with the water. And the water then is poured into a cylindrical glass having the same diameter. To what height does the water rise in the glass? In fact, we are going to find the value of x. Okay. When the water is in the bowl, it's shaped like a hemisphere, and the amount of water that we have is the volume of this hemisphere. And then when the water is poured into a cylindrical glass, it's shaped like a cylinder, and we know that the amount of water that we have doesn't change. So the volume of hemisphere is equal to the volume of the cylinder. Okay, so we just need to set the volume of both equal and solve for x. Okay, the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed, and because we have half of that, this is a hemisphere, we just need to multiply by 1/2. And the volume of cylinder is pi r squared h. Okay, and now I'm gonna simplify 2 by 4. Okay, and then plug in the value of r into this equation. The diameter is 24, the radius is half of 24, which means 12. So 2/3 pi 12 cubed equals pi, and r, this is the radius of the base, which is half of 24, and it's 12. 12 squared times h, and h here is x. Okay, and now is x. In order to find x, we just need to write this side of the equation, 2/3 pi 12 cubed over this one, pi 12 squared. Okay, so we can cancel out these two pi's. 12 squared is cancelled out with 12 squared, and the remaining is 12 to the power of 1. So in order to find the value of x, we need to find 2/3 of 12. And the answer is 8 centimeter, the height of the water here, which means that the water rises 8 centimeters in this glass. Okay, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I highly recommend you to watch these related videos on this topic. See you in the next video. Bye for now.